Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to use Bramework to write content in other languages other than English. Primarily, the AI models are trained in English, but they are capable of writing content in other languages such as English, of course, Spanish, French, German, Chinese, Portuguese, Hindi, and other common languages. For example, let's say I want to write a post about how to start a blog. I would go here, start my post. But the thing I would do from the beginning or from the get-go is to add an instruction here. I would make sure that I turn on, my instruction switch, and I would add a pretty short prompt, nothing major here. I would just add write all content in French, for example, right? So now that I have this prompt. So now if I go to my title generator, right, and I click on title, since the instruction is there, it will generate my title in French, right? So now my title is generated. Now I'm gonna go into the outline and I'm gonna have it create an outline for me that is in French. My French is a little rusty, so I'm not 100% sure if this is what I'm looking for. I have to catch up on my French, but to proceed, I will click on generate, and then I'll have, at this point, it will generate an outline for me in French. All right. Now my outline is complete. I'm going to add my outline here. I'm going to, let's see, I'll stick with the title it created for me before. I can use my spacer to add space between these. I can use my spacer again to add space automatically between these. So now, if I wanted to, I can write a paragraph also in French. So I can highlight the paragraph here, click on write paragraph. So it's writing the paragraph for me in French, right? So let me space that out here. Now, if I wanted to summarize this in French, I can also rewrite or summarize it in French. So let me summarize it in French, for example, to show you how that works. So that's been summarized in French. Now, the only thing that will automatically do it in the language that the instruction says is the write command. So if you're using the command feature, for example, you'll need to specify in the command to write in the language that you want, since the command is all up to you and you have total control of what the command does. But everything else, for example, the paragraph, the rewrite, the summarize, and everything in here besides command will be written in the language of your choosing. Again, this works with many of the common languages. If you have any questions, let us know. And again, you can use the instructions for so much other things besides specifying the language. You can also tell it to add emojis with the language. You can add factual information, and you can add information about your business, the audience, and so much other things. You can add those in the instruction. As the AI writes, it will look at the instructions and write accordingly. And again, of course, you can always add, additional keywords in the language that you're writing in, and so on. I hope this helps. If you have any questions, please contact us at support@bramework.com. And as always, thanks for using Bramework.